Hello students, welcome back to class on Internet of Things application. IoT Internet of Things technology. The next topic, that's what in the first module, is IoT network architecture and design. So far, in the previous video, previous sessions, we have discussed about the definition of the IoT, genesis of IoT, IoT and digitization, its impact, convergence of IT and IoT, IoT challenges, right? So these are the various topics we have discussed, we have covered so far. In this session, let us discuss about the network architecture and design of IoT, followed by drivers behind new network architecture, comparing IoT architectures, so followed by simplified IoT architecture, functional stack, and management and compute stack. Okay, fine. Let us begin with the network architecture and design for IoT. So chapter 1 is completed. The topics which we have discussed till IoT challenges are the topics covered by the topics belongs to chapter 1 of the textbook. So the next one is about network architecture and design. Here, this tells you about the network configuration of IoT. So here is the example they have taken. Imagine that one day you decide to build a house, you drive over to the local construction supply store and try to figure out what materials you need, right? Number, nails, screw, cement mix for the foundation. So everything you let right, everything you have to purchase, isn't it? So a truck comes by and drops off all the materials at the site of foundation, your future home. So this is what the next statement is. You stare at the piles of materials sitting on what you hope will one day become your front lawn and realize you have no idea where to start. Something important is missing, that is, you don't have architectural plan for the new house. Unfortunately, your plans to build a beautiful new house will have to wait until you get help of an architect. So here the important role of architect comes, where the plan, building plan is prepared by the architect. Assume you have got all the materials with you. You have made a purchase of laterite, cement, then rods, steel rods or iron rods, whatever, right? So whatever the fundamental things required to construct a building, you have made a purchase, you have purchased them, everything came, and all the materials are available at your site, but you don't have any plan how to start, where exactly the rooms and all should come, that you don't know. For that, architectural help is required. So what we are trying to explain you is, so far you have understood the requirement of IoT. So you decided, okay, I should have one IoT network and all. You are making a purchase of relevant materials, but you don't have a proper plan where to implement, right? Where to use which sensor or where to implement which material and all. So for that, you need to study about the IoT architecture. So that is the fundamental requirement of studying the IoT architecture. Um, so this chapter examines some of the unique challenges posed by IoT network and how these challenges have driven new architectural model. So some of the important areas which we are going to study in this chapter is about the drivers behind new architecture. Okay. So the operational technology network, OT network, drive core industrial business operations. They have unique characteristics and constraints that are not easily supported by the traditional IT network architecture. Then we are studying about the comparing of IoT architecture. See, several architectures have been published for IoT, including those by ETSI and IoT World Forum. So they are the different organizations to develop and test the different IoT architectures. So this section discusses the comparison of the architecture. We'll be discussing about them in this chapter as well. So comparing the different IoT architectures. Next, we will discuss about the simplified IoT architecture. That is, if there are several architectures exist, which one to go for, right? Then core IoT functional stack. Here the IoT network must be designed to support its unique requirement and constraint, right? Requirement of the system as well as constraint of the system should be followed, supported. Then IoT data management and compute stack. This introduces about the data management system, including storage and compute resources for the Internet of Things. Okay, this also tells you about the little bit about the cloud computing, fog and edge computing. Okay, so let us begin with the first parameter, drivers behind new architecture.